এটা হয়ে গেল দেখুন so hello all so we'll start from this today wind. Okay, as we know, we have discussed that winds are generally they move because of the pressure difference in our earth, and that is from the subtropical high pressure to the equatorial low, and again from the that high to low. So there is a phenomenon in the atmosphere where wind blows from high pressure area to low pressure area. I think everyone is ready. Just we have started this one. Wind जो flow करे सब बड़े मन रखो. Wind flows due to, can say wind flows due to density difference. Because of the density difference, wind flows, right? Density difference, wind flows. So high pressure to low pressure, here also flowing. Okay, just then from this one, your high to low, here also flowing from here. Everywhere it is the same, both in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, it is the same. Okay, high to low, high to low. Okay, next we'll see what is wind. Wind is basically the horizontal movement of wind. Horizontal movement of wind is called wind. Just 1 second here. What is missing? Horizontal movement of the air is called wind. It is actually the horizontal difference in the air pressure. Air pressure horizontal difference mainly. Here air flows from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Okay, it is the unequal heating of the earth's surface is one of the prime reasons for the pressure difference. Okay, unequal heating of the earth's surface is one of the prime reason why this pressure difference has been created. Okay, and this causes causes the wind to flow. Okay, horizontal here just see horizontal difference in air pressures, particularly horizontal difference in air pressure, that air flows from high pressure to the low pressure area. Unequal heating of the earth's surface is the prime reason for the pressure difference. Prime reason unequal unequal heating. Prime reason is unequal heating is the for the pressure differences. Then we'll see, then we'll see the types of winds. Types of winds are generally, if we categorize, generally winds can be categorized into 3 broad categories, that is planetary, local and periodic. Planetary, local and periodic. See here, see this one. Planetary, local and periodic. Planetary winds, basically we can say westerly, northeast trades, easterly or westerly and polar easterly. We can say here planetary winds, we can say, just look at here, then we will come back to this page again. Planetary winds, such winds blow, planetary winds means such winds blow throughout the year from one latitude to another. Okay, gotte latitude or gotte latitude ke amane throughout the year flow korchundi. Due to the latitudinal difference in air pressure, they are known as planetary winds or the prevailing winds. Due to the latitudinal difference in air pressure, planetary winds or the prevailing winds. Generally they blow over a vast land or ocean mass. Samane gote vast land surface or ocean upre buhanti. For climatic and human activities, they are significant. for the climatic and human activities, they are significant. They are categorized as trade winds and or easterlies or westerlies. Trade winds or easterlies and westerlies particularly. Right? Due to latitudinal difference in air pressure, it is known as planetary winds or the prevailing wind. Planetary winds or the prevailing wind. And they blow over a vast land and ocean mass. Vast land and the ocean mass. And climatic and human activities, they are very significant. They are categorized as trade winds or easterlies and westerlies particularly. Then trade winds or easterlies, these are blowing from the subtropical high pressure areas. They are blowing from the subtropical high pressure areas towards the equatorial low pressure areas. Basically, subtropical high to equatorial low. They are called trade winds and easterlies. Subtropical high to equatorial low. We can see here subtropical high, equatorial low. This is subtropical high, this area, to equatorial low. This is ITCZ or equatorial low. Trade winds. Due to Coriolis effect, subtropical high pressure 30 degree north south towards the equatorial low, that is doldrum. That we saw here that this is also more clear. Subtropical high to equatorial low, 30 degree north south around 0 degree equatorial low ko they constantly blowing. Due to Coriolis effect, they got deflected in clockwise direction. Due to Coriolis force effect, they got deflected in clockwise direction or right to become northeast trade winds in northern hemisphere, and to the left or anti-clockwise to become southeast trade winds. Basically, Coriolis effect they got deflected in clockwise direction. Coriolis effect they got deflected in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is Coriolis effect, that is clockwise direction, right? Direction or right become northeast trade in northern hemisphere, and left they got right. Right they got left. Left or right. Left or anti-clockwise direction becomes southeast trade winds in southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere southeast trade winds. If I say this is equator, Australia, monsoon effect, this is southeast trade winds in southern hemisphere. It is known as your northern hemisphere, and this is your southern hemisphere, right? Next, the word trade has been derived from the German word means track. Trade mane track. To blow trade means to blow steadily in the same direction and in a constant course. Right? To blow, the word trade has been derived from the German word means track. To blow trade means, to blow trade means to blow steadily in the same directions and in a constant course. What a constant course regularly they are blowing. The trade winds are also known as the tropical easterlies. They are also known as the tropical easterlies. Most of the deserts found on the trade wind belts. Most of the deserts they found in the trade wind belts or easterlies, as after reaching western coast they are devoid of moisture. Basically, moisture devoid here. Next, westerlies. These winds blow from subtropical high pressure belt towards the subpolar low pressser belt. So, subtropical high pressure belt ru subpolar low pressure belt ku janti. In northern hemisphere they blow from southwest to the northeast, and in southern hemisphere they blow from northwest to southeast. ठीक अच्छी. Northern hemisphere they blow from southwest to northeast, है ना, and in southern hemisphere they blow from northwest to southeast. Just look at this map again, it will be confirmed. So, see, जेमती एटी रीजन गोटे देखुछ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्टर्ली जदि मैं नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर देखिबी, जस्ट लुक एट हियर, दे ब्लो फ्रॉम साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. जदि मैं एटी डायग्राम करछि, नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट साउथ ईस्ट साउथ वेस्ट नॉर्थ वेस्ट. मैंने बहुत कोटू साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन को है, दे ब्रोस फ्रॉम साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ ईस्ट है. एठी मैंने बहुत जदि देखियो सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर रे दे ब्लो फ्रॉम नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन टुवर्ड्स द साउथ ईस्ट. जदि कोडी वेस्टर्ली जदि तुम देखियो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर साउथ वेस्ट रू बहुचंदी, आउ एठी से बहुचंदी नॉर्थ वेस्ट रू सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. यदि जस्ट लुक एट वेरी क्लोजली, एक्जाक्टली द सेम थिंग इज ऑपोजिट. यदि नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर देखिबी, एमाने बाहरचंदी नॉर्थ ईस्ट रू पहुंचंदी साउथ वेस्ट रे. ठीक जोडी से सरला, ठीक एटू एपटू ये बाहर साउथ वेस्ट रू नॉर्थ ईस्ट, जस्ट अपोजिट है. नॉर्थ वेस्ट टू साउथ ईस्ट ये बाहर गोटी की साउथ वेस्ट टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट. सिमिलरली एटी देखिए साउथ ईस्ट टू से बाहर नॉर्थ वेस्ट को, सिमिलरली ये बाहर नॉर्थ वेस्ट टू साउथ ईस्ट वेस्टर्ली. जस्ट जब देखियो तमने ईस्टर्ली और वेस्टर्ली जब तमे देखियो, ईस्टर्ली in the northern hemisphere blow from the northeast direction to the southwest, and here it is they blow from southeast towards the northwest. Okay, southeast to northwest. अच्छा, बर्तमान आगे देखिए. Westerly, these winds blow from subtropical high pressure belt toward the subpolar low pressure belt. In northern hemisphere, they blow from southwest to northeast, and in southern hemisphere they blow from northwest to southeast. Okay, westerlies are best developed between latitudes 40 to 60 degree 65 degree है. तो देखियो 40 to 65 degree भितर westerlies are best developed है. What is southern hemisphere? When you just look at this map, it will be more clear. Look at here. देखो जदि मुझे भी वेस्टर्लीज आर डेवलप्ड बेसिकली 40 to generally 65 ए भीतर ए रेंज रे बेस्ट डेवलप्ड. व्हाई? अगेन the reason is basically they westerlies, they are getting the vast ocean surface. Basically they are getting vast ocean surface, they are best developed between latitude it is south due to the vast ocean surface. Because of the vast ocean surface, because of the vast ocean surface, they are not deflected. They are not deflected, or sorry, they are not, we can say, obstructed. Obstructionless. They are not obstructed. This enables helps them, enables them to maintain a constant course. Okay? This enables them to maintain a constant course. Right? Here you see, as we discussed, the world's major deserts are found in the this trade wind belt. Just see, look at here. Mostly देखा था trade wind belts रे Great Basins, Mojave, Chihuahua, Sonoran, है ना? इधर से देखो जब पे Sahara, ये भी Sahara, then Arabian, then Namib Desert, then Great Sandy, Gibson, Tanami, Simpson, and Great Victoria. देखो so it is over. Great. Right? Just look at here. This is the a cold desert with interior. It has here it is interior. Why it is called Great Basins is in cold. The reason is that ए जगह रे Rockies mountain is here. This Kizilkum, Gobi, Taklamakan, Iranian, you are seeing here. And here it is Chihuahua. Chihuahua is in Mexico. Chihuahua is in Mexico. Okay, these are the. This is Atacama is not a cold desert; it's a hot desert. Rather, Patagonia is a cold desert. Okay, because latitude में जब तुम्हें Patagonia देखियो, Patagonia is near 45 degree तळुकु अछि latitude, 45 degree latitude तळुकु अछि. Then here you see Sechurian is a desert. This is near to the your that is equator पाखरे. ठीक अछि. Then Namib and Kalahari you are seeing. Namib and Kalahari desert is there. Then Sahara also. Namib and Kalahari. Then here you see Arabian desert, Somali desert. Somali desert is Somali desert that is near to it is located in Somalia. Somalia, जो कि the Horn of Africa, it's a country. Somalia is in Africa. This is Somali. Okay. Here you see Kizilkum, Iranian, Thar, Gobi, and Taklamakan. They all lies here. Okay. Then if you see the Great Sandy, all are. If you divide karibi, if confusion hochi, just I am dividing the earth. Equator etu jauchi. Amazon river deki jauchi. We know. This is 0 degree. This is equator. Right? This is equator. Alright? 23.5 desert देखियो particularly. Third desert इस जगह हमारा Sonoran इमन सब 23 हाफ रे 23 and other Tropic of Cancer it is. If I do here, right, Tropic of Capricorn, Okay, so mostly you can see it is clear from this map. Okay, Kalahari Namib Desert also. Namib is a very dry desert. Kalahari is a savanna type. Okay, so this is, and if you see, do not confuse with this one. This is your cold desert. Patagonia desert lies in your Andes. Andes mountain is there in North America. Andes mountain is in North America. Okay. Here it is Gobi desert. You can see Gobi, Taklamakan. These are the cold deserts. Okay. So maximum, the hot deserts in the world, they lies to the particularly they lie in the trade wind belts, basically high pressure belts, basically high pressure belt रे ही समाने maximum देखा जाते. ठीक है जी. वर्तमान देखिए आगे को. इरानियन डेजर्ट जदि मु जस्ट आउट जिंस कहली, इरानियन डेजर्ट जदि मु कहबी और मु भलो कि पढिबी तले वर्ल्ड क्लाइमेट पढिबी. इरानियन डेजर्ट जदि देखिबा, हियर इट इज बोथ that is your Dast-e-Lut and Dast-e-Kabir. Two Iranian desert it is there, and Arabian desert se tumhe dekhibi, that is An-Nafud. है ना, वर्ल्ड रीजनल पढ़ी तो मु आहुरी बेटर देखियो. An-Nafud and Rub al-Khali. An-Nafud and Rub al-Khali. Next देखिए, next one. Due to their strong character, I can say due to their strong character means direction and strength. Due to their strong character in southern hemisphere, due to profound oceanic effect, they acquire tremendous speed that is called roaring 40s, furious 50s, and shrinking 60s. Why they are named such? So, strong character जो माने due to their direction and strength, direction और strength, strong character जो then known as oceanic for tremendous, roaring 40s, furious 50s, and shrinking 60s. ये जो बोलते हैं इनसे कभी ये जो 40s अच्छी है ना, आप ध्यान से सुनो, 40s, 50s, and 60s. ठीक है जी. 40s, 50s, 60s जो कुआ होची इठी 40s जदि नबा रोरिंग 40s माने जेहेतु लैंड मास तमर कम ओटे सब बुझ, जेहेतु लैंड मास सेठी कम हैला, तो जार माने प्रिवेलेंस ऑफ ओशियनिक इफेक्ट हैला, विंड र स्पीड wind speed is more. Wind speed is more, and since wind speed is more, it gives a damage to the ongoing your oceanic vessels, particularly oceanic vessels damage. That is why it is known as oceanic vessels, oceanic means ships, particularly ships, cargo ships, ancient medieval time it got damaged. Same thing, it has some latitude. This is 40 degree latitude, this is 50 degree latitude, and this is your 60 degree latitude. So generally it gives harms to the ships, that ships or vessels cargo vessels. These storms are rated by the navigators because they sometimes cause shrinking of the ships. Ships would shrink. Next we will go to the polar easterlies. Polar easterlies, just see here. Polar easterly, just see. Polar easterly have the same significance. Then polar easterly. They blow from high pressure area. This is polar high pressure area to polar low pressure area. Okay, polar easterly. You can say here. They blow from polar high pressure region to the subpolar low pressure region. Basically, है ना? Polar high pressure region में low pressure region में the direction in the northern hemisphere is from the northeast to the southwest. The direction northern hemisphere that is from the northwest, northeast to the southwest. Exactly where is the mark karibo? Easterly is same direction it is maintaining. Northeast to southwest and southeast to northwest in southern hemisphere. Just look at this map, it will be more clear. Where is it? Northeast to southwest को बोलची ये भी समझे northeast to southwest. It भी समझे northeast to southeast to northwest है ना? ये भी समझे है ना? Southeast to northwest, exactly same direction. Okay. Next we will see that is your one interesting chapter, that is your local wind. Very interesting to know what is local wind. Local winds develop as a result of local winds develop as a result of local differences in temperature and pressure. Local wind can develop as a result of local difference in temperature or pressure. Temperature or pressure local difference local wind generate way. They affect smaller areas and are restricted to the lowest level of troposphere. Troposphere lowest level की समय restricted था they affect a smaller area, restricted to the lowest level of troposphere basically. Develop a local difference in temperature and pressure. Temperature pressure local difference they may be categorized as warm and cold winds at different places. Right? They may be categorized as warm wind and cold winds at different places. Just look at this map, warm wind. Warm wind कुछ just look at here. Here it is Chinook. Chinook is here. One, just see. We come to this map. The Chinook is here, particularly at the hot, dry wind blow in Rockies Mountain in North America are called snow eater. Basically, Chinook को कौन कहते? They are the hot, dry wind in Rockies Mountain in North America. Rockies Mountain North America is माने Chinook कहा and they are known as your snow eater basically. Snow eater बोली कहा जाए सामान को ठीक है जी. Snow eater माने snow को melt करिए से पानी रो भागे snow eater. Then harmattan. If you see the harmattan is a place. Harmattan basically blows in your Africa. ठीक है? ये हम देखिए harmattan. harmattan है अफ्रीका रे particularly देखुछ अफ्रीका सहारा डेजर्ट रू ये देखुछ अफ्रीका सहारा डेजर्ट रू harmattan अच्छे देखिए स्नो ईटर एटी कह जाए बिकॉज चिनुक वेलकमिंग चिनुक आसले बरफ तले इट गिव्स इन द राइपनिंग ऑफ द फूड देन harmattan hot dry wind blowing outwards from the Sahara desert, okay, then from the interior of the West Africa called Guinea ductor basically, okay, hot dry wind blowing outwards from the interior of the West Africa, okay, that is outwards from the interior of the West Africa are called Guinea ductor. Okay, it brings sometimes relief to the rainfall. Guinea ductor, Africa harmattan. Then Sirocco hot dry wind blow from Sahara desert to the Mediterranean Sea. From the Sahara desert to the Mediterranean Sea towards Sahara desert towards the Mediterranean Sea. Here you can see. Then Sirocco hot dry wind. Here you can see hot dry wind blow from Sahara desert to Mediterranean. Sirocco hot dry wind blow from Sahara desert to Mediterranean Sea. Just it a diagram बनवची. Sahara desert कौन होची Sahara desert रे your harmattan is just let me change the color. This is harmattan. अगर 80 का भी this is this is Sirocco है ना Sirocco और harmattan एटी है तो देखियो this is Guinea coast Sahara desert to Guinea coast और साने बहुत चंदी है ठीक particularly Sahara desert to Guinea coast. Okay, and here we see from Sahara desert towards the that is Mediterranean Sea. Sahara desert to Mediterranean Sea. This is the major Sahara desert to Mediterranean Sea. Okay. So these are also hot dry wind blow from the Sahara desert to the Mediterranean Sea, and the countries here like ki achandi jodi tame Mediterranean Sea coast or bordering countries dekho, here it is hala Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. ये जो मेन पांचटा कंट्री तार नॉर्दर्न साइड रे जनरली तमरो फील हुए मेडिटेरियन टाइप का क्लाइमेट इट हेल्प्स देम राइट नेक्स्ट so we in a nutshell we came to know that harmattan means जोटा कि गुइनिया कोस्ट आड़ को फ्लो होची और सिरको जोटा मेडिटेरियन सी आड़ को फ्लो होची ओके खमसिन हला हॉट ड्राई विंड सेम सिरको रा ना इजिप्ट हला कोन खमसिन ठीक अछि इजिप्ट हला खमसिन सेम ठीक अछि एंड जो हार्मटन होची हार्मटन दैट इज योर दैट इज है ना एंड सेम चिली दैट इज इन द ट्यूनिसिया जो जिनसरा जोटा हम कहले ट्यूनिसिया इज अ कंट्री जहार कैपिटल है ट्यूनिस here we see it is जो हम लिखली ट्यूनिसिया कैपिटल दैट इज योर कैपिटल इज योर ट्यूनिस is the capital right so these are the basically the warm winds au एटी गोटे जिनस आम मन रखा खमसिन और चिल्ली सिरकर पार्ट ओके अच्छा नाउ एटी गोटे जिनस जस्ट हैव टू मेक कि रिमेम्बरिंग द कंट्री इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट मन रख रिमेम्बरिंग द कंट्री माने कंट्री रो कैपिटल है कंट्री विथ कैपिटल नेम जदि मुझे कहबी एटी जदि लिखिबी just look at here Rabat that is capital of Morocco same jadi mu कहबी Algeria that is capital of Algeria then mu Tunis कहली Tunisia ra then Libya, Tripoli, then Egypt, that is Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa Lakara, that is Egypt. Okay. So remembering country's capital is also important. Is equally important like what we studying after जोटा कि तुम्हारा regional part रे और geography. This is very helpful. ठीक है remembering the country's capital name also okay so for today this much okay we'll meet again in the next week so just happen we'll continue with the warm winds again warm winds then we'll do the cold winds then we'll enter to the your periodic winds okay so thank you all of you we'll meet again thank you bye bye take care